Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Abkhazia is a disputed territory between which two countries? A. Russia and Ukraine. B. Georgia and Armenia. C. Georgia and Russia. D. Turkey and Azerbaijan. Answer is option C. Abkhazia is a disputed territory located on the eastern coast of the Black Sea. It is internationally recognized as part of Georgia, but it has declared independence with the backing of Russia. Abkhazia was an autonomous region within the Georgian Soviet Socialist Republic during the Soviet Union era. When the USSR collapsed in 1991, Abkhazia sought independence from Georgia, leading to a violent conflict. A war between Georgian forces and Abkhaz separatists resulted in thousands of deaths and the displacement of ethnic Georgians. Consider the following with reference to the acts enforced by Election Commission of India. 1. Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, 1985. 2. Benami Transactions, Prohibition, Act, 1988. 3. Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA, 1999. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1, B. Only 2, C. All 3, D. None. Answer is option D. Statement 1 is incorrect. The NDPS Act, 1985 is enforced by the Narcotics Control Bureau, NCB, not the ECI. The ECI conducts elections to state legislature, parliament, president and vice president. Statement 2 is incorrect. The ED enforces the Benami Transactions, Prohibition, Act, 1988, which was amended in 2016 to strengthen action against Benami properties, assets held in someone else's name to conceal ownership. Statement 3 is incorrect. The ED is the primary agency responsible for enforcing FEMA, 1999, which regulates foreign exchange transactions, external trade, and remittances. Thank you.